together another quick and easy lunch. I'm gonna scramble some eggs. I'm currently cooking up some cabbage. And then I'll be adding scrambled eggs, quinoa flour tortillas, and cheddar cashew cheese. Okay, so I'm cooking down the cabbage. Good. Okay. Now we'll add the eggs. Just one egg. A little cashew milk. Okay. Now we're going to take this tortilla, we're going to put it in the toaster oven. I'm going to set this. Oh, first, we're forgetting the cheese. I'm going to put some cheese. Put the cheese on. Have a little camera issue there. Put a slice of cheese in there, and then put it in toaster oven. Toast it up. Now that's melting. That's how I want it. We're going to take this out. Put it right on the plate. Here. Oh, that looks good. then I thought I would dress it up with a little bit of my favorite green goddess dressing. Ooh, that looks good. I haven't tried these tortillas yet, so I might have over toasted it. See if it's gonna let me. I think it's gonna be more like a taco. I was gonna make it like a burrito, but I think it's a little too crispy for that. So there is lunch.